Kaya FM 95.9. Good music, good friends. It's Friday, which means, as usual, we have our man in the studios. Kumba, good morning, my brother.
Bro Bobby.
Always.
You're looking snazzy. You're looking snazzy.
Really?
Yeah, man.
It's all clothes.
Yeah, it's all clothes. You know when you just got married there, 7 days. 7 days ago you got married. 3 days ago you were
Why
back.
would you kiss? Why would you kiss?
No, the thing is, I'm going to china akhe la emadolweni. Amajino akhe emadolweni awangijablisanga because we can tell ukuthi ngathi sayine YFM iphepha like bakwenzani bro bakubambile now Pretoria baba.
I was robbed.
You're marked. Come on, really? 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 You want to take my Percy Sledge City? Really? What did they take? Bro?
All I can say is I wish our government was as efficient as those boys. Quick. Desired results. They got there, took what they wanted, and they left.
And they started just, bro, hard boy. It's going to turn me. Hashtag Zimbabwe.
No, they took the camera back. But that was it. I fought back for the phone, which I shouldn't have done. It's one of those instant
You fought
things.
back. We must call you. You fought back.
Don't mess with Shangan, bro.
They're like, I'm talking about let's basic bump. I'm a pain. Hey, Kisham, hey, ndam pashkolo ba. Onganga izinjalo mina. Ni Bob Mabena mina. Nipotshela kwaZulu Natal, ni Bob Mabena mina. Ngangena niphuma ngingadlanga nix. Bro.
That's the experience.
Hide, bro. Ngibona ngathi sorry man.
You know, I wish for Pharrell to come here armed. Because, you know, I think of Pharrell, I think of Trevor Noah. You know, it's like one of those, I mean, the xenophobic attacks took the attention away from Trevor Noah. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it was bad. Yeah, this xenophobic attacks. Can I just address something, bro? Can you stop this thing now, man? Because we think we can live without these people. Really?
Yeah.
Do you think we can just take to France? Akekho umuntu oshaya isicathulo njengoFrance. Yesu France ngaba akekho ngabe sonke sihamba ngathi asikho right. Ngabe sihamba kanje. But because of France snake hand. Sinamabonde emakasi. Ubani onzi mthanga lekazi. Iliphi ipedo laziyo wena likwazi kwakhe. Ngikitha ushapula yona. Never. Siyafila apha thina amaXhosa. Ndi busy. Abhiza amakhala mine.
Hayi sukhaya.
Hayi abantu bangaphandle basisiza bro Bob. Kunanyase kasilami igundini wena
Vagnido.
Yes,
yeah.
Vagnido. Akazi ukuthi ufede usho ukuthini.
Oh.
Like he doesn't know what fede means, but uyamthanda. But isikhumba ngithi hey Vagnido athi fede. Ngida fede kana hey bakanyala dliwa ne. Fede. Ngida fede kana yeah man hey nhlusha imfazi man akalala endlini. Fede. Yabona Vagnido mongathi fede futhi sizoxabana. Okay, sorry.
I cannot talk as Yatibisa.
Fede. Vagnido. Uthukile manje anazi niyenze njani.
Well, you know what? We have a lot of good guys that are playing for my team, Sundowns. I mean, Cuthbert Malajila from Zim.
How?
You know what? Player of the month. Just couldn't score a few days ago.
Yeah, but we ukorile something. La wena South Africa benzana bakahloko moshiko. Empumulo ngathi uphethe ipiki. Yini? Uzonikhuluma ngofana Mkwena. Nawe EFF yini?
No, please don't.
Engichaza uBrafani out yami. Mina bengithi wenze window shopping every time because
Hayi.
Impumulo kafana Mkwena ngathi wenze shopping, window shopping imlimazela sazomntwana lakathi. Ngiyawathanda lama blouse move. You could tell this guy was going to join in the EFF. Yeah. Impumulo kafana ngathi bamshake ngamuru sakho. Xenophobic attacks aqala ngofana Mkwena. Pressamo. Impumulo kafana Mkwena. Ngathi head on collusion. Yeah. Yes, impumulo kafana. Have you seen impumulo kafana? I flat. Ngathi akana impumulo ikhona. Fanele ikholele. iEFF fanele imnike imali nesasa imnike something. Udisable umuntu akibukele nje. Khopela soon. Kusunekang. Khopela soon. Ukhuluma ngathi phethe ama-tonsils nama-sinus. Ublocked, makuthiwa kunomuntu oblocked basho ufana Mkwena. Laba Yo laba bashem oh isona hey impumulo yakhe flat makafinya ngathi upitches ipimple zo. And I mean serious ufana mkhona asa act jealous bekithi ubhekele ngithi lakho manje why my ex is flat tail every time. Kanti ay flat tail ibhekile. Ngithazi ya. Awufana uyiphethe impumulo uyiphethe la baba liyana. Impumulo ngathi shaya izandla ngathi yes. Impumulo ka brafana. Ku-EFF but we need one disabled member. Fana yeah inhlaba yimi. Ngathi we've seen wafana mkhona he can't breathe. Like akaziphefumula.
I mean, it's Sundowns to get a 5-0 thrashing.
It was good.
How?
Money can't buy you goals. Nemal. I'm a player. Sundowns ifane solos impilweni yami. I like solos.
Please explain. I can't wait.
Lalela Sundowns like into enzayo. Nikhona nje ngoba nikhona. Can you imagine? Phela ama player we solos manje. Ayarelegate. Cabanga mangabe kune out yeboshiwe but kuye uzophuma la ijele isolos may win league. Yes la ikhona should be to the life sentence. Baba ngathi ku Oscar yeah wena uzaphuma la isolos no but no. Angamili inyawo Oscar la big. Isanda sidle 5-0. High 1, high 2, high 3, high 4. 5 coach ayithanda ukhala. That about interview I don't know man. We keep oh come on we will fight for it. We will fight. We are fighters. No, not fighters. Nidliwe. Yeah, ubizwa ngathi hlala khala ngazi laba I don't know. Like Teko is a good player. But it's Chico. Nidliswa ile chicken is ama player wa Sundowns. Angithi ama fashion. Xa uthi kudlalwa ngama Ferrari, akuna Ferrari lapha yana. Yadlalwa.
I'm going to play a song.
Yadlalwa abantu be Celtics. The soil.
Hello, family.
Bongena ngayo emshadweni weekend.
Hayi wena. One time.
The Soweto Theatre this weekend, today and tomorrow, right?
Today, tomorrow, Soweto Theatre. Myself, David Kau, one FJ Pogi, and some couple of guys. Guys, might pop in tomorrow because today is in Cape Town. But it's gonna be nice celebration. Tickets, I can be ticket. Get yours now. So
you're starting to sound like Ed Soul.
I'm glad Studio Mix is back.
Do expand. What are you talking about? I'm listening.
Yeah. The Studio Mix with time, you said, eh? It's like the says the needs this. Yes, give us time. Yeah. Never been charge about you know they're beautiful. But so you're gonna be a charge, bro, Bob.
Yes.
That's nice, Bob. That's nice. This week there was a rumor that Martin Lawrence died. It was a rumor because you know.
Yeah. Twitter.
But can you imagine a cast? But Uskumbu Shonil. But Uskumbu Shonil. A cast didn't take the rumors. They call you like, hey, Skumba. Fair boy. Hey man, Zwil and Duana man. Rest in peace, enjoy him. Rest in peace. So now and Duana is so Spanish singing in Spanish. Hide boy, hide. They'll call you, but they know that you're dead. Like Duana is really now. Zwil to body is rest in peace. I must rest in peace. Rest in peace, boy. But go rest in peace with Paula. Rest in
Oh my word. Jeez, man. Yeah, I'm going to be back on TV tomorrow. And that's the end of it.
We're not saying no middles.
Yes.
That's nice. 3 generations of like you see Gune umandla mosha uThembi middle wena ke siyazi uyithambo lakudala like yeah ufuna umuntu ozogcula
close lakho baba
ufuna umuntu ozogcula
But you know what the funny thing is that when I went into the Big Brother house, this is the first thing that Umandla said is he wants to meet Bob. And look at this, a year later, you're working together.
Nice. And the boy chuma nomlomo bovu ngathi nje baleka nepaloni.
Bona phi nje baleka nepaloni.
Did you see the Ibn Jensen and Mbuyiseni Ndlozi interview?
No, the only thing I saw was like Mbuyiseni needs to go to the salon. Let's start there. Like before we talk about no. It does even take a part to say look but hey.
No, you can tell it takes a part.
Uyisusa namhlanje andazi ndisusa kanti. Like I don't take that guy serious. I'm serious.
Really?
I don't. I think already we have controversy. We have why do you wanna be like ufuna ukuba stepdaughter? like why lo mntwana afuna ukuba yi-1 nje kumanje ubabeni uwest nje kwehlupha ubabeni uthi the statue adiwe uyavuma bona uthi yeah istatue utshimali wena iphi imali asinandaba nalento le umntana kabani umbuseni umntana kabani.
The ladies think he's hot, hey?
No, he is.
Ngale sayimbungulu.
Yes.
That's the deal. They think he's
Sorry,
hot.
yini hot? Sorry, Papa. Ngikubuza mangabe wena boy hot usase mild manje. Like umbuyiseni yini?
I don't know, but guess what the ladies say?
Which ladies?
The one at the corner there, the yellow bone.
Sorry, ube shoga leto zoyikhuluma manje.
He is actually quite good looking.
Yini good looking guy?
Everything. And he speaks well, and he
stop.
combs not comb. He's cute. He really is cute. I don't think he's a hunk. He's not
I
common.
don't know, we're getting complicated.
No.
He's not common,
No,
but
brother,
he's
ngifuna vele
really
siyena.
good looking.
I think umuntu right mina umuntu osexy uDJ Sibungu ubuhlala phethe ican endaweni yakho. DJ Sibungu uhlala phethe ican baby vukuza ithi tip. DJ Sibungu carrying a can everywhere emncwabeni bathi azokhuluma. Yeah, usistory ushonile but hey tip. Ignite your mind. Jesus Boo. Okay, check the pictures you see Jesus Boo today. Carrying a can everywhere. Everywhere. Yeah, say toilet. I'm not toilet paper. Tick. Bankoshila ngandaba sala tick. Jesus Boo doesn't care. He's carrying a can everywhere. Phethe umuntu wakhe ba right. Baby ngiyakuthanda mana macala. Tick. Jesus Boo, okay, I'm lying mina ke. He's driving like hey, baby faka u3. Wangifaka ngibhizi la. Tick. Uyazi sibala sayipusha ngada ngakhohlela kayiwana nje. Bese
Finished.
Ngengikhohlela Thixo. Safundisa abantwana. Una yonke into la mntwana unesinkwa, une toilet paper, une cold drink, une moto. La mntwana una yonke into shem yoba vula mathumntwana. Hey vukani. Thixo. Sifulela Thixo. Yongana ezulwini Abraham izangaphi uza kunjani uyangikhumbula yimi leyo ubani Thixo Yangidina sometimes awusakhona ukukhuluma nje abamfoni hey sibuda wala sikhomba fele makancane boy Thixo yeah bothini ntwana hayi bengashonix bengithi hello alright boy shabne batshele kasi ngiyazwakala boThixo yangidina lapho yonke indawo you meet hey hi Sbu how is it hey how are you Sbu hey he's Thixo yanginye ya ngisayakune metro ya bathi ngine interview lenzansi ya baya ngimangena nje phela hola hey shabula Thixo.
We are.
Do you take him serious, no, bro? Hey, Bobby, bro.
He's hustling.
Yeah, we are a legend, bro. But I don't know why you didn't have your oral cell back then. Now, OTJ, Mutim. I'm going to put your full song. Scramble that.
Thank you very much, team. It's been a fantastic week.
Can you imagine an energy drink? Yes, vendor, my like it's no comfortable word. I ate it. No, umbala matanga. Motimo wanga papa, no chabada matanga. Yes, vendor, cool. Vendor, just motimo wanga papa. My friend, I ate it. Motimo wanga papa.